Hi, welcome to this lesson on statistics regression. Let's have a look at the box and whisker plot. So what is this? Well, as we saw in the previous lesson regarding the 5-number summary, that was a nice algebraic way to look at special data points. So within your data set, there are these 5 important points: your minimum, your first quartile, second quartile, which is your median, your third quartile, and the maximum value. And they tell us a picture about what your data set's actually doing. Now we want to analyze what that picture looks like, and that's exactly what the box and whisker plot is. So why do we call it the box and whisker plot? Well, if you have a look at this diagram, you can see it has like a box and it's got whiskers coming out of it. Okay, so as usual with mathematicians, with our names, we're a bit creative sometimes and we just call things as we see them. Okay, so the box and whisker plots, again, like we said, is a helpful visual tool of the 5-number summary. So how do you draw it? You start off with your tails, which will be your minimum and your maximum. Then you'll do your Q1 value, your Q2 value, which is your median, your Q3 value, and your maximum. And if you just have a look at this box and whisker plot, it actually tells us a few things. You can see that after quartile 2 and to quartile 3, again, that's 25% of data, right? That's 25% of data. That's 25% of data, and that's 25% of data. So what are those 25% representing? This means the first 25% of all your data, and that's, again, when you're looking at it in ascending order from lowest to highest. Then the next 25% can be grouped into this next box over here between Q1 and Q2. So far that's 50% of all the data. So that's a cumulative look at it. Then after Q2 to Q3, that's another 25% of your data, and that'll be 75% of all your data. And then if you go 25% more to the end of the tail, you reach your maximum value, and that'll give you 100% of all your data. So the box and whisker plot basically visualizes those 5 important numbers in your 5-number summary. And you can see just from this diagram that the data looks like it's skewed. It looks like it's favoring a longer side to the right. And we call that being positively skewed. Okay, when your data skews to right, we will have a look at symmetric versus non-symmetric data a bit later, and we will go through what those mean. Okay, but the box and whisker plot is a very nice, helpful visual tool to analyze the 5-number summary. Okay, so we will have a look at some more examples and some more statistical terminology. I'll see you in the next one.